Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin with two essentials: charged devices and Bluetooth enabled on the source device. Once done, place the Beats close to the phone or computer to avoid interference. Now press and hold the power slash button that initiates pairing until the LED flashes or voice indicates pairing mode. This actively signals the headphones to accept connections. While the light blinks, leave the Bluetooth settings open so you can immediately select the Beats when they appear. This reduces timeout issues and speeds up the connection process. You'll now choose the Beats from the device list, scan the available devices, and tap the exact Beats model name. If a PIN prompt appears, enter 0000 or accept the pairing request. Most modern devices don't require a PIN. Once connected, check the audio output option and make sure Beats are selected as the playback device so audio routes correctly. If the device shows connected but no sound, toggle the output or restart the app to force the system to use the new audio endpoint. Finish by playing a short sound to verify stereo and microphone behavior. Adjust volume gradually and confirm controls work. If pairing fails, power cycle the Beats and the source. Sometimes clearing previous pairings on the source or forgetting the device removes conflicts. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on the Beats. This clears corrupt settings and often solves pairing errors. Key tip: if you still can't pair, move away from Wi-Fi routers and other Bluetooth devices to rule out interference before repeating the step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.